What constitutes a birth injury at its core is kind of self-defined. It's an injury that occurs during birth, most often to the neonate or newborn that during the labor and delivery process, sometimes in the prenatal period, sometimes immediately following the birth during resuscitation or a nursery care. The most common types are a hypoxic ischemic injury or lack of adequate oxygenated blood getting to the baby and the baby's brain during labor and delivery, shoulder dystocias leading to brachial plexus injuries, which are the nerves in connecting the neck to the shoulder that get ripped out and cause permanent injury oftentimes to the arm and inability to use that and function in activities of daily living. And then once a baby is born, sometimes they need to be resuscitated to transition from intrauterine or in the mother's womb life to extrauterine or post-delivery life, and there's very specific guidelines and steps and algorithm to do to ensure safe care that oftentimes is not appropriately done, leading to a myriad of different injuries, including a hypoxic ischemic brain injury. The number one reason to hire our firm and myself when you are suffering from a catastrophic birth injury is because of our experience, our tenacity, and our passion. There's very few lawyers in the entire country that have or have handled the number and various types of birth injury cases that we have. There are very few people that are as dedicated to their clients and as passionate about not just representing this client, but making sure that by this client being strong enough and brave enough to come forward and pursue this cause of action, hopefully some other child in the future won't suffer the same injuries because this hospital, this doctor have been held accountable and they're on the lookout for the same thing in the future.